Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable sensitive content to be displayed on your Twitter or X account. So sometimes this might not work on the app versions on your phone, so you're going to have to use a web browser instead. So once you've logged into your Twitter or X account, click on the More option that you can find here at the left-hand side and click on Settings and Privacy. So here, there's going to be a section called Privacy and Safety. Let's go ahead and click that. And then over here, you can see an option called Content UC. So here, the first options that's displayed is called Display Media that may contain sensitive content. So let's go ahead and check that. And now you should be able to see sensitive content on your X and Twitter app as long as you're using the correctly configured account. So that's it for this video. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.